Horses out, we have Gifted Champ, pass to begin, Danori inside is Tall One, it's an audience, and now is Spikers, Invictus rushing up, Sweet Julian, Shades of Red, then Palatable by number 8, No Boundary, then next in line, Magisterium, Amazing Damascus is Spiker, the leader by about a length and a half, Sweet Julian in second, and in third, Gifted Champ, Soul Invictus is racing in fourth, and in fifth now is Shades of Red. Down in sixth, No Boundary. Seventh, Amazing Damascus. Toanitsa, Magisterium, Dagaran Kid, Tagalista, Federer, Hakuna Matata. And Exotic Playboy is racing in last. That's that is Spiker by about 4 lengths. Sweet Julian remains in second. Gifted Champ is Danori inside third. Racing in fourth now is Shades of Red. Danori inside fifth. Soul Invictus. Then here comes Magisterium. Now trying to get closer in fifth. Is Spiker still in front by about 3 lengths. Gifted Champ in second. Sweet Julian, Magisterium. Now coming closer on the outside. Is Spiker, Magisterium moving up on the outside. Is Spiker, Magisterium rushing up on the outside together with Amazing Damascus. Is Spiker, Magisterium, Amazing Damascus. Magisterium takes the lead, followed by Spiker moving up, Amazing Damascus, and finally Magisterium second close. Spiker, Amazing Damascus, then comes No Boundary, Sweet Julian, Shades of Red, Gifted Champ.
Shades of Red.